Connie Ferguson says she is praying for Marilu. Connie Ferguson has broken her silence on the explosive feud that has erupted between Ferguson Films and Marilu, saying it's not her style to throw mud at older performers. In an interview with Breaking News this week, Mara claimed her contract was terminated in September last year, after producers told her that writers had run out of storylines for her character. She was then apparently offered a per-call contract which she labeled as insulting and disrespectful. Shona Ferguson told Sunday Sun that Mara was not fired from the show but was in and out of contract. Mara hit back at Shona's claims by sharing a screenshot on social media of the termination date on her contract and claimed she was treated like trash. Discussing the matter on Trending, Connie said she was praying Mara would find peace. She is an elderly woman. With the way I was raised, it makes me extremely uncomfortable engaging with her on a mudslinging level. It's not my style. I pray Mama Mara finds peace in her spirit, and that is really all I can do for her. Connie said she was confused by what Mara was angry about and denied that she was treated badly by the show's producers. I am not sure what Mama Mara's allegations are exactly, so it's difficult to respond. She would have to do better than just say she was treated like trash. As with all our cast members, we have been nothing but respectful, especially to her. Meanwhile, Mara has been consulting with lawyers on the matter and told Breaking News that she would be watching the situation to determine if legal action would be necessary. I contacted a lawyer to get their opinion on what had happened, but I thought it would die down. I am now just watching the situation.